Hello, 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 Thomas. Hello, everyone. So nice to be here again for the science class. I hope you're ready. Today we are going to finish the activity from the last week. Hello, Alejito. Good morning. Welcome. As you can see, we are going to explore. Hello, Felipe. Hello, hello. So Tomás is ready. Alejito is ready. Felipe, who else? Maria Camila, hello. Hello, my dear teacher. Hello, sweetie. I love. Okay, so we are ready. So let's begin. Let's wait a little bit for everyone to be ready. And I'm going to explain the activity, okay? So, okay. So, as I told you, today we are going to continue talking about properties of materials. The last class, we explored how materials like metal, fabric, plastic, and paper, some of them float and some of them sink or both when we put them in the water. Hello, Martin Perez. Welcome. Hello, Juanita. Welcome. So there are, hello, Pipe. Welcome. Who else is here? Okay, let's see. Very good. So there are two materials that are missing. Let's review what materials we explored during the first session. We talk about wood. We haven't. Hello, Fede. Welcome. We haven't tried with wood, so we have to try with wood. Plastic. We find out that plastic floats, right? They float. Paper. Paper. Also, paper floats. Metal. We saw that some metal can float and some others sink. Glass, we haven't tried with glass. Hello, Marianita, welcome. Hello. And finally, fabric. Fabric, we saw that fabric floats when it's dry, but when it gets very, very wet, when it absorbs the water, it sinks, right? So today we are going to explore with wood and with glass. Those are the two materials that are missing here. So we are going to explore, and at the end of the activity, I'm going to teach you how to build a paper boat. So I'm going to teach you how to build a paper boat for you to play with it, okay? As is it made of paper, it will float, okay? Excellent, Pipe. Wood and glass. We are going to explore with wood and glass. So let's begin, okay? Hello, Camila. Welcome. Very good. So let's begin with wood. Wood. I brought here 3 objects made of wood. I brought a pencil. Look, a pencil, as you know, is made of wood. Hello, Samuel. Welcome. A pencil. I brought this little piece. It's from a game. It's made of wood. And this is for a candle. So we put the candle here, and it is made of wood. These 3 objects, are made of wood. So let's see what happened with them when we put them in the water. Are you ready? So let's begin. So let's begin with the pencil, okay? So I'm going to put the pencil in the water. Let's see what happened. Dun, dun, dun. What happened with the pencil? Look, it float. The pencil is floating, floats. Look, can you see? Very good, Pipe. It floats. Very good. Let's try with the other piece, with the small piece of wood. Ready? Let's see if it happens the same as with the pencil. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's floating. Look. Did you see? Let me show you again. So it goes to the bottom and then whoop, floats. Look. Oh my goodness. No, it sink. Let's try again. I'm going to dry it up. And let's try again. Hello, Joaquin. Welcome. Hello, Joaquin. Okay. No, look, it sink. So it can float or it can sink. This is a very big piece object made of wood. Let's see what happened. Ready? Yeah. Oh, look, it's floating like a boat. So it can float or sink, both. Look, it depends on the type of wood. Hello, Juan Jesus, welcome. So, in your notebook, remember your notebook when you were taking notes about this? Grab your cuadritos notebook or the piece of paper where you wrote this. Did you find it? Hello, Dieguito, welcome. And we are going to write wood. Did you find the page? Did you find this one? Okay. So let's write wood. Our next material was wood. I use the pink and the blue one. Okay. So here, did you find this one? Okay. Here, next to paper, we are going to write wood. Wood. So we are going to write W, capital letter W, okay? W, O, again, O, and letter D. Wood. And it can float, it can float or it can sink. So we are going to write both, float or sink. So we are going to write both, like in these ones. Both, B, O, T, H. Both. It floats like this too. or it sinks like the piece that is in the bottom of the pot, okay? Both. Very good. So let's continue, and now we are going to try with glass. I'm going to take this out. A pencil. And the wood piece. Very good. Even though this piece is bigger, is heavier, look, than this one floats and this one sink, right? It does not depend on the size. It does not depend on the size. Maybe this is made of a heavier wood, right? Yes, Pipe, this is big one, but it floats. And this is smaller and it sinks. So it can depend on the type of wood. Okay, so now we are going to try it with glass. I have here two different containers made of wood, of glass. I have glass and I have this little bottle. Okay, so let's see what happened. Ready? Okay, let's try first with the little bottle. Okay, are you ready? So let's see what happened. Turun, turun. What happened? It's floating, right? Wow, it's floating. So that glass bottle is floating. Floats. Now let's see what happened with the cup. Ready? Go. Okay, it is heavier. This glass is heavier, but it's floating. Look, it's not touching the bottom of the pot. It's floating, look. Can you see? It's floating, right? But it is a heavier glass than the bottle. What happens if the bottle is full of water? Let's see what happened. I'm going to fill the bottle with water, and let's see what happened. If the bottle is full of water, it sinks. Let's see if it happened the same with the glass, with the cup. I'm going to fill it with water, and yes, of course, it sinks. If it's full of water, it's heavier. Very good. Floats if it's empty. If it's empty, floats. If it's empty with no water in it, it floats, look. Right? But if it's full of water, it's heavier and it sinks. Right? The same with the little bottle, look. If it's empty, floats. right? Very good. Excellent. So if it's empty, floats, it's full. If it's full, it sinks. So let's write the results in our notebook. So we are going to write the last one, glass. Here, glass. Letter G. Letter L. Letter A. Letter S. And another letter S, glass. So we are going to write both things. So we are going to write empty, empty, float. Full, sinks. What happens when the object is empty and what happens when the object is full, okay? So we are going to write empty, E, M, P, T, Y, empty, floats, float, empty, float, float, like this one, float. F, L, O, A, T. Float. So if the glass bottle is empty, it floats. But if it's full, F, U, L, L. Hello, Antonella. Hello, Samu. If it's full, sink. If it's full, it sinks. S, I, N, K. Ready? Very good. Excellent. Very good. So we finished with all our materials and we discover many interesting things about them, right? So right now, I'm going to teach you how to make our paper boat to play here. Let's see if my paper boat floats. Let's see. I'm going to take the glass. And the bottle. So let's see if my paper boat floats. Ready? Let's see. Yay, it's floating. So I'm going to teach you how to make your own paper boats. So you are going to need a piece of paper, any piece of paper that you have. So go ahead and grab one piece of paper. like this one. Go ahead. Are you ready? Okay, so with this piece of paper, we are going to fold our piece of paper in half. We are going to fold the piece of paper in halves like this. Okay, press here. Press here. So we have something like this. So we fold the piece of paper in half. And now we have something like this. Okay? Very good. Now, okay, pay attention. I'm going to take this part up. The closed part, the open part is down. So I'm going to fold again like this. And I'm going to press here a little bit just to see where is the half of the paper, like this. And I'm going to open again. So I have my piece of paper with the line here in the middle of the rectangle. This is a rectangle, and now I know where is the middle of the rectangle. Okay? Remember, the open part is at the bottom, is down. Okay, so now I'm going to take these two corners and I'm going to fold. Pay attention how. Wait, I'm going to use my board. So I'm going to take my piece of paper and I'm going to fold the corner like this till the middle of the rectangle, like this. Okay? And I press here like this. Okay, so I have my rectangle. I take this corner, I fold till the middle of the rectangle like this. And I'm going to do the same with the opposite corner, with the other corner, okay? So again, I fold the corner like this. I'm going to fold here. And I'm going to fold like this. I'm going to press here. I'm going to press here. Clear? So again, I have my rectangle. I found the center, the middle. I fold the two corners, 1 and 2. Got it? Okay. Now I'm going to open my piece of paper here and I'm going to fold like this. I'm going to fold this part. I don't know how to show you. Like this. And I'm going to press. Okay. So my piece of paper is like this. I open here and I fold one side like this. And then I turn my boat and I'm going to fold the other part the same way. like this. So it was like this. I fold here like this. And then I turn the boat and I fold the same way here. Okay? Now, these little corners, I'm going to fold them. Look, I'm going to fold this corner like this. You see? I have it like this. I fold it like this and press. And the other one the same way. I fold like this and press. And the same on the other side. I fold here and press. And then I fold here and press. So I have a triangle. Ready? Okay. Now let's continue. Okay. On the base of my triangle, at the bottom of my triangle, I can open it. So I'm going to open the rectangle like this, look. And I'm going to join this corner and this corner together. Look, open and join the two opposite corners together. Like this. Got it? So I have this one. This is my triangle, right? I open and I join these two opposite corners together. Ready? So now I have a square. Okay. So here at the bottom I have the open part, right? So I'm going to take my corner at the bottom and I'm going to fold again to join it with this point, with this corner. So fold it and fold it like this and press. Okay. I'm going to turn my square and I'm going to do the same. I fold this corner till here, like this. Like this. And I press. Okay. So I have again a smaller triangle. I have a smaller triangle. Ready? Okay. Again, I'm going to find the hole, the open part. So I'm going to open here and I'm going to join again these corners together. And I will have a diamond like this one. Got it? You were here with the triangle. You open your triangle and you press and join these two parts together. Okay? Now, the last part, the funniest part. I'm going to push this. I'm going to open these two corners, these two sides, and carefully I'm going to open them. And I'm going to press. And ta-da! I have my boat. You got it? So you can color it, so you can decorate your boats, and then you can play with them, putting them in the water. Look, now I have 2 paper boats in the water. So you can play with them, and you can make beautiful drawings in your boats. Okay, okay, chiquis, I hope you enjoyed the activity. I hope your paper boats were very, very nice, very beautiful. You can color your boats, and I love you very much. I miss you very much, and see you tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow again. Bye-bye, love you.